To check that your white circulation is working correctly, you can look at the tubes on the tanks on the exterior. You can see in this tube that there are air gaps going up the tube, and the same with this one. When we turn the printer on, the white circulation will kick in and you'll see ink start to flow through these tubes. With solid white ink flowing through these lines, we know that our white circulation is working correctly. You can also check the white sub-tank inside the printer located here. This should be completely filled with white ink, and you'll be able to see the ink flowing through these yellow tubes here. We also recommend checking the white tubing here that leads to the dampers are filled with ink, and that the damper at the side also contains a full amount of white ink. Inside the printer to the back left, you'll see this turn knob. This controls the motor that circulates the white ink. It can be turned up to increase the flow or turned down to decrease the flow. We recommend having this red arrow pointing at roughly 4 o'clock on the dial.